How is it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be telling you how you can get Spotify Premium for absolutely free. No computer, no root or anything. And all you have to do is go to the app that I told you about before in my last video, AC Market. You see, once you open the app, you just have to tap the search button, search Spotify, and it would be the first one there. And it shows you all the mods that you get, but there's a note on the bottom that says some server side features require paid subscription, like downloading songs. But all you have to do is tap install where it says installed for me. Once it's downloaded, you can open it. I already have it downloaded, as you can see. Once you open it up, you put in your login information, or you can sign up for a new account. But as you can see, there's all the songs that you can choose from, obviously all the ones that are on Spotify, and you could just play you could just play no matter what song you want, and there's no ads or anything. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you later, and goodbye.